Hello there guys, it's the Underman here. So I created this great new software for Instagram, for managing, accounting. Pretty much you can do anything you want with your Instagram account in one single piece of software. As you can see, a browser has been added in order to, well, so you can see everything that's happening, everything that's going on. So there's no funny business or anything. I added anything my customers wanted me over the years. Uh, I also sell Imacross scripts, so I decided to create this standalone software for the people who are having hard time installing and everything. This is very easy. You just run it, and when it loads, you have this huge. You can choose anything you want, and the software will do it very fast. No thinking required, nothing to install, there's no hassle. You just run it, and that's it. So let's see how it works. First of all, of course, you run the program. It's worth noting that program works on Windows platforms. It can work on Mac also, but you need to have a Windows emulating software like BAAAM workstation, something like that. So let's see how it works. First, you enter your username and password. I will use one of my usernames, so don't try to log in because you will fail with my account, of course. Let's see. Okay, now password. Okay, so let's click login to Instagram. You can see the browser. It's very important that you see it. You can pretty much see everything that's happening. Okay, so we are logged in now, right? Okay, you have successfully logged in. Okay, good. So it's important to know that we are using Gram feed instead of Instagram, because Instagram is full of restrictions, and pretty much anything that happens on Gram feed is, it happens also on Instagram. Gram feed is nothing more than like a web version, functioning web version, and whatever we do here will reflect on our Instagram account. So now we are logged in. Let's just see what else we can do here. So if you're promoting something, I don't know, models, if you're into crowdfunding or whatever you want to promote, to send out, you can do it with this software. It's very easy, very simple to use. I'll just show you all the functions in this video, so you can contact me at any time. So let's say I want to, I don't know, do something with cars. Let's go here. Okay, we enter a hashtag to search. Now our comment, if we want to comment pictures from the hashtags given by the search engines. Let's go like a great pic, something like this, just to show you. So let's see what else we can do. We can, how many pictures to like? Okay, let's go like pictures. So I want 6 pictures liked. Okay, how many pictures to like? Like pictures based on hashtags. Let's click that. Okay, so the software goes to search. It enters the hashtag we see, cars, and it searches. And when the search is complete, the software will just like pictures. See, this is the like button right here. See, the software likes it automatically. Yes, okay. It's like 6 pictures, and after it's done, marketeer has successfully liked 6 pictures. So for every action you do, at the end, this program will, it will give you the exact number of what he did. For instance, this time it liked 6 pictures. Let's see what else it can do. How many pages to unfollow? I'll explain this later. This is a more complex function. So we also have scrape usernames. Of course, it uses hashtags. So if you're into, like I wrote cars, if you're into cars, you can scrape the usernames of users that search generates, which is very useful. You can connect that. You can connect with them. You can contact them. You can follow them or unfollow them. You can do whatever you want, and you can, pretty much you can streamline your business very fast. So let's go scrape some usernames. Okay. Okay, let's see. I didn't click it, I think. Oh, I did. Okay. Okay. So it uses hashtags to do this. So now you can see it, but software will scrape all these usernames from the search. You might have noticed in this bar that the page got like a 10 times bigger. That's because it loads all the usernames into the page. So here it goes. Username is saved inside C scraped Instagram usernames dot text. So I chose the local list C on purpose because everybody has that on their Windows computer. So let's just see, is it really scraped? So C and this text. Okay, let's go to start computer local disk C. Oh, there you go. Okay, scrape. Let's see. Oof, man, there's a lot. These are the usernames. I'll show you later how you can actually use them in this software. It's very useful. Okay, so close. So we chose scrape usernames. Let's see what else. How many followers we want. This is also useful if you want to follow people from your niche or your whatever it is promoting. It's 4, 6. Okay, let's say we want to follow 4 users just to see how it works. Okay, so we click follow and the process begins. Again, everything starts from hashtags. You can change account at any time. I'll show you later. Cars, okay. And now again, the software will pick up all these guys from the search and he will visit them one by one. And this is what I wanted to show you. You see this following? That means I'm already following the user. And the software is smart enough to recognize that. See this? Okay, this one he followed. So the software has the logic to recognize which of the users have you followed and which one of them you didn't follow. So see, it now followed this one. And who knows, maybe, okay, he should follow this one too, because we're not following it at the moment, as you can see. And software is very useful. Okay, see, marketeer has successfully followed 4 users. Okay, let's see what else it can do. How many pictures to comment? Let's say I want to comment just 2 pictures. Sorry, my phone rings. Okay, I can't talk right now. Okay, let's say we want to comment 2 pictures. Click on comment, and again we use the hashtag to comment to pretty much do anything. Okay, search has ended. Now let's see how the commenting works. Okay, here's the comment. Okay, see, here's where the comment we entered sooner is being pulled. Great pick. Okay, marketeer has successfully commented 2 pictures. Just to here is the comment. You can change the comment at any time. Any of these functions can be changed whenever you want, whenever you feel like it. So let's see what else. Okay, remember that list we created from this function scrape usernames? We can now use that same list to follow people from this list. The list that the software scraped doesn't have to be the one you wish to follow. You can use any list you want. Anything works, really. You just click and you find your username. It could be any place. For instance, in mine it's on local disk C, because I don't really have any other. Let's say scrape username, and here you can follow. I already did that sooner, so there's no, okay, I'm gonna show you, but follow users from list. Okay, oh, it's the same girl. Okay, so the software will pretty much skip this one because it already followed her. This one too. The software is smart enough to recognize following from unfollowing and stuff like that. Let's see what else. Okay, we like this one too. Follow, apologies. Okay, we said 4. Okay, everything works. Okay, users from our list have been successfully followed. Okay, then. So what else we can do here? We can stop all actions in case we want to follow like 30 people. I chose the number 30 on purpose because Instagram sometimes has these restrictions and things. So while I was testing the software, I got to learn a lot about their system of protection of other users, and I found that 30 is probably the best number you have for following, so you don't get suspicious or picked up by their system. It's worth noting that software keeps changing the referrer. Sometimes it's Google, sometimes it's Facebook. It also changed the user agent. Sometimes it would appear to Instagram that you are coming on their site with Google Chrome, sometimes Internet Explorer 10, sometimes Firefox, sometimes Opera browser. It changes this in order to confuse them, to make them so they don't touch you. The software is very safe and secure. I use it for a long time now. I want to show this to my customers because this is what they wanted. They wanted a software to to streamline the business, to make it fast. So you can follow users from list. I already demonstrated that. So you can log out. You can stop all actions if if anything goes south. For instance, if you choose 30 followers and you only want like 3 or 4, you can stop everything at any point. And there's also the autopilot option. Autopilot is great if for instance, if you set everything the way you want. If you want to let's say, I just set the lowest because it takes a while. So this autopilot option will log you in automatically. Of course, you have to set your username and password. It will like pictures. It will also scrape usernames, follow whatever number you put in, say 2. It will also comment pictures and follow users. Well, it will follow them from your list. Autopilot is really if you want to stay at work overnight or something like that, you can do it. There's no restriction, nothing to everything works. You can log out. You can log in with some other account if you want. There's really everything is self-explanatory. The software works on Windows platform. This is how it looks like. It takes about 10 seconds to load. So if you can always contact me. Let's see where it is. Alright, contact developer. You can click here if you have any doubts about the software. If you want to ask me anything, please do. I'm always available here on Fiverr. You can see some of my gigs. I do a lot of automation. So if you need any support from me, feel free to contact me at any time. I will respond. I will tell you how it works. There's no need to buy something you don't understand. So contact me and we will resolve anything. Thank you very much for watching.